Login loop error on FamZoo Fix. If you're stuck in a lock-in loop on FamZoo where you enter your details, tap sign in, and get sent right back to the login page, don't worry, this issue is much more common than you think. Most people assume it's a password or server problem, but here's the surprising truth: it's almost always caused by stored data on your phone or browser. Let's fix it in a few simple steps. First, completely close the FamZoo app or browser tab. Then, reopen it and try again. If that doesn't help, it's time to clear your cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find FamZoo, and select Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app that clears all stored session data that might be stuck in a loop. If you're using FamZoo in a browser, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear cookies related to FamZoo. These cookies hold login tokens that expire, causing the app to endlessly refresh your sign-in attempt. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the FamZoo app or browser. Older versions may not sync properly with new security updates. Visit your App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Still looping? Try switching your connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. Some networks block the secure redirects that FamZoo uses for verification. Also, if you're using a password manager, turn it off for one attempt. Autofill tools sometimes paste old or corrupted credentials that restart the login process. Once you've done these steps, restart your device and try logging in again. 9 times out of 10, the loop disappears immediately. So remember, the lock-in loop on FamZoo isn't your fault. It's just your device hanging onto outdated data. Clear it, update your app, and refresh your connection. Soon, you'll be back to managing allowances and tracking family finances with no interruptions.